PlayStation 5 slow startup issues have become a significant concern for users worldwide. Current data shows that approximately 15 to 20% of PS5 owners experience boot times that exceed the normal range. While a healthy PS5 should boot from power button to home screen in 45 to 90 seconds, problematic systems can take 2 to 5 minutes or even longer, creating frustration for users trying to enjoy their gaming experience. Understanding the root causes of these startup delays is essential for effective troubleshooting. Research has identified four primary categories of issues that contribute to slow boot times. Storage issues account for 40% of slow startup problems, typically involving solid-state drive degradation or fragmentation. System cache problems represent 25% of cases, where corrupted temporary files cause delays during the boot process. Hardware degradation contributes to 20% of issues, often related to thermal management or component wear over time. Software conflicts make up the remaining 15%, usually involving background processes or corrupted system files. Now let's explore three proven troubleshooting methods that can resolve most PS5 startup issues. These solutions are arranged by effectiveness and ease of implementation. The first and simplest solution is a complete power cycle reset. This process clears temporary system cache and resets hardware components to their default state. Hold the power button until the console completely shuts down, then disconnect the power cord for 30 seconds. This allows capacitors to discharge and ensures a complete reset of the system's temporary memory. The second solution involves accessing safe mode to rebuild the system database. This process reorganizes fragmented data and repairs corrupted file system entries. Boot into safe mode by holding the power button during startup until you hear two beeps. Navigate to the Rebuild Database option, which will reorganize your system's file structure and often resolve storage-related slowdowns. The third solution focuses on clearing accumulated system cache through the console's settings menu. This maintenance task should be performed regularly to prevent cache-related slowdowns. Navigate to Settings, then Storage, and select Console Storage to find the Clear Cache option. This removes temporary files that can accumulate over time and slow down system operations. Heavy users should perform this maintenance monthly. These three troubleshooting methods have proven effective in resolving 60 to 70% of PS5 startup issues. Most users will see significant improvement in boot times after implementing these solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't fully resolve PS5 startup issues, advanced solutions target deeper system optimization. These methods address storage fragmentation, network conflicts, and system bloat that accumulate over time. Storage optimization is critical for maintaining fast boot times. The PS5's internal SSD requires at least 15 to 20% free space to operate efficiently. When storage becomes too full, the system struggles with memory management during startup. Access the storage management interface through Settings, then Storage. Here you can identify which games and applications consume the most space and remove unused content. Network configuration issues can significantly impact startup times. Resetting network settings clears corrupted connection data and timeout conflicts that may delay the boot process. System software management involves keeping your PS5 updated with the latest firmware while managing automatic download settings that can interfere with startup performance. Preventive maintenance follows a structured schedule to prevent performance degradation. Weekly tasks focus on basic system hygiene, while monthly and quarterly maintenance addresses deeper system optimization. Monthly maintenance includes clearing system cache, reviewing installed applications, and verifying network connection stability. These tasks prevent the accumulation of temporary files and unused data. Quarterly maintenance involves database rebuilding in safe mode, which reorganizes system files for optimal access speed. This process can take 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on your data volume. Physical maintenance is equally important. The PS5's cooling system requires unobstructed airflow to prevent thermal throttling, which can significantly slow startup times. Regular cleaning of intake vents ensures optimal thermal performance. These advanced solutions and maintenance practices work together to maintain optimal PS5 performance. Regular implementation of these strategies prevents most startup issues and extends your console's operational lifespan while ensuring consistent boot times.